This iPhone 6s doesn't charge.
Let's use a charging detector to check.
Where the fault is, connect the charging detector to the Type-C cable. Turn off the phone. Select Organization Analysis. Connect the phone to the charger tester. Here, we detect that the USB data is abnormal. Connect the drawing. Locate the related components. Connect the Type-C PCN to the computer. Open the iPhone 6s point map. Click on Charging Detection. Click Refresh Connection.
Double-click to locate the relevant position in the map.
Click to switch to the physical map. We replace this USB control tube. Remove the motherboard.
Shalaxiola.
I'm here.
Hot air gun at 380.
We remove this abnormal USB control tube. Clean the pads. Install the same model USB control tube that is good.
Assemble and check if charging is normal.
There is a charging. It can boot. Charging is normal.
Remember to like and follow.